Today I am going to unbox my new iPhone 15. I just got it delivered from FedEx, by FedEx. And I am curious to find out really what's the packaging is all about, because if it is from AT&T, as they said, it should be in a sealed box. So we are unboxing this one. There's a lot of tape, so I'm gonna see how I can get it out. Okay. Oh, so I had my doubts, but I guess now I don't, because I can see inside of all the receipts and all the instructions here. I'm doing that quickly. And this is what the iPhone 15 came in. So it's the iPhone 15 Pro. So now I have to try to open this. Let's see how I can open. It should be able to just fall out. I guess I'm missing something else. Trying to come up. Something here is not quite ready. Oh, here, still sealed. It's really tight. Okay. So this is that iPhone 15 Pro. Man, what is this seal thing here? So you see they sealed it with a plastic seal to protect it. Then you have the charging cord. And I guess it's off somehow. It's not turned on. So here it is. iPhone 15 Pro. So I have to wait until to get me to set up. Here it still has the screen that is trying to tell me that I need to set it up. So I'm going to do this. So guys, before I even get all of this done, I want to tell you that this is the iPhone 14. As you could see back here, this is what it looks like. You know, everybody that knows an iPhone 14 should know that's what it looks like. Now, I have to return this phone to the company because I had to trade in that one here to get the new one. And the trading was it was an even trading. I didn't have to pay anything towards it except in the tax. So if you have an iPhone 14 and you want to get to the 15, please go to the AT&T and tell them that you need to trade in your device, and you can get an even exchange, because this is 256 gigabytes and I took an even exchange. That one is the same amount of storage. So, and I did this at BJ's, and they had a discount on the device in addition to what the trading was, because they were doing a special for the Christmas Eve. And I was so lucky that I went there for the first time at the store in Huntsville, and I got this. So I'm so excited to have my iPhone 15 Pro. This I have to say goodbye to, because I'm not gonna have it for too long. I have to ship it back. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.